need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, William fam. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning. I know, don't even watch my look. Just got up and got myself together somewhat. I just need to get my hair done. And yes, I don't even know what we have planned for today. We didn't even end up doing that much yesterday, so I didn't vlog 100% yesterday. But yeah, I got some stuff that I gotta get done. So hubby is gone. Yeah, because he has some stuff that he has to go do. He has to go check somebody, so he's gone to do that. Yeah, and I'm currently just home. As you see, it's nice and quiet. It's early morning. Yeah, but I'm not sure what the plan is for today, but I know we are planning on doing something. We have I think we have some guests coming, so we have a few friends coming over today. So I don't know what the plan is, if we're gonna go to the beach or go to river, but we're going to plan something and go out and do something fun. Okay, you know, your girl gotta continue enjoy herself while she's here, but at the same time, man, it's like, you know, you have to leave, but you don't want to leave. For me, I think one of the saddest things is every time I come home, it is so difficult to go back over. And I always find that when, I don't know, for people like that live down here, I guess maybe because they don't travel, they don't understand that home is where your heart is. And Jamaica for me is always going to be my home, regardless of certain things that is backwards. And yes, certain things down here is backwards, but I love my country. I love my country. It's not the country per se, no. It's always the people them in it. It's just like when you go to a different country, it's never the country, but the people them that are in it that make certain things, you know? But, yeah, and then it's just like, you know, you're thinking about, oh man, it's almost time to go. And yeah, we've been down here a bit, and I am just grateful for that opportunity. And let me tell you, I always believe in anything that you put your mind to and you pray about it and ask God for, it will come true. You just gotta have faith. Like they said, have faith of a mustard seed and it will come to pass. I've seen so much things that have happened, good things, bad things that have happened in my life. And trust me, I have been through some things. And even within last year, like I say, we do share a part of our life with you, and a part of it we don't share. We do share the ups and we do share the downs, and maybe later on this year, we will see. This year we will share some stuff with you, some stuff that happened to us in our life that happened last year that we have not came out and shared with you guys. But I always believe, you know, when you pray about things, things always turn out for the greater good. And you keep God in your heart. And when you know the type of person you are and you just have faith and believe, yeah, I always find that people with good intentions, sometimes we meet some people with bad intention. And sometimes those people come into our life to test our faith, to test our strength, to test how much we believe in God, and, you know, just to test us overall. And like I said, sometimes the devil comes in our life and roar his ugly head when it comes to certain things. But if you have faith and you hold on and you stay strong, you can overcome anything. Trust and believe you can overcome anything. And me, I could be a testimony to stories that I have and things I have been through in my life that you guys don't even know about. But sometimes you want to share certain things, but you have some people that don't wish you well, and they watch out your life secretly, don't post nothing. And sometimes even the friends that you think are close to you, those people that you think are close, whether it be friends, family, some of those people same way sit and they watch out your life because they want to see your downfall. So they secretly watch out your life and they want to see your downfall. But one thing I always say, continue to pray, because when one door closes, another one opens, and it always opens. And I used to be a person that stressed so much about certain things and, you know, worry. And I still worry, but not as much, because that was one thing that I asked God to grant me. And I continue to pray about it, to worry less and have more faith that everything works out for the greater good. Yeah, that everything works out for the greater good. And I continue to pray, and I just do my best. And they always say sometimes when you're doing things, do it in secret. Hey, leave it! My dog is picking up one of the shoes from the front door. Oh man, you're getting so big. But yeah, guys. But anyways, I'm just here. I am waiting. Venom, leave it. But I am just here. I'm gonna go finish doing what I gotta do, and I have a video that I need to edit and get up for you guys. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you to all our supporters, our genuine supporters out there. Oh, and thank you to all the other supporters as well that don't generally like us, but they do watch us. Thank you so much. You know, I just believe in doing good in life, and I believe in being happy, and I just believe in just, you know, anything you want in this world, you can achieve it. You can achieve it. And I just believe in thanking the good, the bad, and the ugly people that you come across in your life, because so much of us, we go through so much things. And sometimes if we could only share our stories with others, you would realize that, wow, you went through that too, that age, that around the same time. It's so crazy when sometimes when you tell your story to other people, you know, sometimes you're afraid because you think that, oh, they're gonna label you as a bad person, or they're gonna look at you different. But most of the times, like I always say, everybody have skeleton in their closet. Don't think that anybody, the only person that ever walked this earth that was perfect is Jesus himself. So don't even think that, down to the pastor, the shepherd, anybody, even the 13 disciples that Jesus had, they weren't perfect. If you notice the type of disciple that Jesus had, none of them were perfect, and they did slip up, right? Even though they were walking with Jesus, they did slip up. Look at Judas, that betrayed the most holiest person on earth. So in life, you have good, you have bad, and you have the ugly. But sometimes you have to take the bad, the good, and the ugly and try and turn it to good. And sometimes it's hard to see the ugly and the bad turn into good. But there is always a flip side to things. And you just got to continue to stay positive. But I will come back, because I think I've been talking enough on here. Yeah, it's been quite a few minutes. And I guess I will catch up with you guys later when I figure out what we're doing. Yes. Okay, so we are finally ready. I'm ready. Mario's on his way up. And we are about to head to the river. Yes. And of course, you know, say it's raining, but we're gonna go to the river anyways. But we're gonna see where this day takes us. So yeah, because either way we're going outside. The beaches and rivers are back open, and your girl don't want to be in the house. I want to go out and live a little before we can't live none at all again. So go outside and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take advantage of doing all of that, because like I said, we're soon gone. So we want to make sure we take advantage and go out. It's so crazy how some parts over here it's raining, but then when you look over there the sun is like shining. But it is rainy season, but it's still nice to go river in the rain sometimes. So that is what we are about to go do. So much for saying that I was going to edit. I didn't even get to start editing. So I definitely going to have to do that. So I didn't get started, but I'm going to have to do it. So, and our guest is coming. So we're going to go do that. Arissa ready and stuff for the pool. Everybody ready up. So we're just there. Wait, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah, I want to go exploring. I love nature, so I'm ready to go.
Guys, we reach pool of the reef. Okay, river time. Jump! You want a picture? Guys, this is a life, country life night. Yeah? Country life nice. Oh my god. It was a whole. Oh my gosh, look at. Jump! Jump! Jump, man, jump! Come, Joshua, jump up!
Are you floating?
Really love it. It's cool. Eh? The key? Oh, the key. You alright? Oh gosh, so we'll just drop on him bottom. Yeah, and there's a remember the thing over there you can wash off under there.
Alright.
Here. Go on and come. Side sit as you go. Joel tumble down. No sir. Watch out, look how people in the tremble. Eh? Cold much? Where's the Memphis? You show off your 6-pack or your 8-pack? How much pack? Yeah? Last time we came here, guys, Memphis, they were so small. You didn't eat? You were little done. I hope Mr. Come down. Hold on. Hey? Huh? Here come. Why are you going? Hey boy, so when the rain hold up, we don't go up the fall. I hope we can manage it. I want to play that's right, I know you. Where Manly? Every day the kids are like, Mom, can we go? We can walk to the river. Let's go. Really? Look at you. Yeah, they walk. Hello, kita pa may job. Come go on now. Walk to the side here, so. Walk to the side. Come over here, so. Walk away here, so.
Jesus Christ! Man, hurry up now! What's up? Piece of water! You can't move.
Relax. Relax. My hideout.
Oh my God! Water nice. How are you going to the pool and jump off?
Run it, son. Run it. That get wet. A cool, man. Man, it look like a wet rag. Where's it? Where's it? Okay, I am wet. I just finished the wash off. Oh my god. So everybody wash off.
Oi!
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
That was amazing.
Yeah. Couldn't bring the camera, but we still got footage. I don't know what happened. Our GoPro, the sound on it's not working. Oh, thank you.
Foreigner, come to country. Watch out.
So you just a drop, you know, look where you drop them, you just a drop them.
You drop them or you get to pick them up. Oh
I don't know
God.
where your head you drop them. Man, go on like him can climb tree.
Okay, where is it? Country
No,
life.
no, country life.
See? Country life will come to country. You just stop anywhere and pick cocky and go about your business.
Yo, it sounds like it's a pig cocky.
You done pick? You done? Oh yeah, go do. Go find the other tree.
That one no. Oh.
Oh yeah, go the other tree. The one we down there so. Watch it. Go the other.
Alright guys, so we literally just, well, we reached in and we went into our little field and stuff, and our guests just left, and Mario's gonna have one of you guys. Well, what am I gonna take you guys out there for? So we just came and stuff, went to go pick hockey, fruits, pine, all sort of things. Oh gosh. And of course, you know, we have to load up our guests and make sure them well taken care of. So I'm gone. Come and enjoy country life. So we're just here. Girl, I am going to go shower because I need to shower. My skin is scratch me now because me did it. We go for a river and then we go tour a little bit, and we go in a farm land and stuff like that to go climb tree, guava and all them stuff there. So now we're gonna go and shower. Mario gone to shower, so we're gonna go shower, and yeah, we just probably go relax. As you see, it is gloomy. Oh yeah, as you see, it is gloomy, and that is pretty much it, guys. We're not doing nothing else for the night, so I am going to probably end the vlog here, and I guess I will talk to you guys in the next one. Make sure if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, comment and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam. While it's always a vibes over here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You